Champion. I started golfing almost at a grandfather age, at the age of 46. I played good golf since then, up to what we call handicap 3. I'm now getting older and the handicaps are going up. I'm now handicap 6. But this shows that it's never too late really to become a champion. And I'm very pleased with my achievement today. For us, we play social golf really. It's not that at this advanced age of mine I expect to turn pro or anything. We just really continue to play social golf and these other small competitions throughout the country. I try to go for things like Uganda Open. I'm playing Uganda Open here with the Amateur Open, and I play all the other open events hosted by the other different clubs in the country. That's really my level of golf. We can't go any further than that. I would like to encourage all young golfers, and the earlier they start, the better. You can see for me, I started very late. I'm sure if I had started much earlier, probably I would have had a better achievement. You never know, I would have turned pro. So I really encourage young people to take up the game of golf. It's a very nice game, and it's lucrative. I can say that.